In this video I'm going to show you how to download audio file from Facebook Messenger. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook Messenger and get into a conversation that contains audio file. Now you can hold down on that audio file, and as you can see here, there are no option to save that audio file. So Facebook Messenger by default not allows you to save audio files, but there is a simple trick how you can save it. So I will use screen record and let me show you how it works. I will make a short swipe from the top right corner to open up the control center, and here is a screen record icon. I can tap on that icon and it will be a countdown of 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and here when I got this red sign I know that the record is starting, and now all I have to do is hit there at play button to actually play all this audio file. I have to wait until this file finishes playing, and after that I will stop screen recording, and the screen record video will be saved to my photo gallery. Let's say I have recorded it. Now I can hit that red sign and then hit at stop. Now I can go to my photos and there will be our screen recorded video, and here you can listen to that audio file. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.